Supercar market pricing appears entirely random, making it impossible to understand without the advanced analytics. Exclusively available from SC Sage. When it comes to the most expensive cars in the world, only SC Sage provides the daily updated advanced analytics necessary to understand the market and vehicle pricing. The Valuation Kit app is a what-if calculator which allows any price and mileage input for a VIN to be compared to its market comps. The Valuation Kit app returns a set of key data elements including deltas to the current market comp inventory in regards to average and median price and mileage. These values are returned for both the model in general and for the specific model year. Use these data to understand a vehicle's variance in price and mileage to the current market inventory. Assess the variance to the current market inventory in dollars or percentages. Change the input values to conduct what-if analysis to learn how price and mileage changes affect market position. Please view our other support videos for more information on our market-leading interconnected apps and charts.